Welcome to the imaginary device. Today we are going to create, or we can say animate, a cloth along the curve path. First we are adding a curve. We'll go to the spirals, and in the spirals we're adding Archimedean curve. Okay, so in the edit mode we can change its height, radius. We can add number of turns to it. So I'm adding 3 number of turns. Just its radius a little bit, and it seems good. Okay, back to the object mode, and now we'll add a plane to it. By pressing Shift A, add a plane, rotate it on y-axis by 90 degree, and now we'll add subdivision to it. So in the edit mode we'll press W and subdivide it. So I'm adding 25 number of chords to it, so it will move like a cloth. Okay, back to the object mode, and now change its shape a little bit. It's all up to you if you want to change its shape. Okay, now by selecting a plane, I'm going to add a curve modifier to it. Go to the modifier, search for curve modifier and add it. Okay, so as object we'll add spiral, and then we'll go to the object data properties. So we'll rotate our plane by 90 degrees along x-axis and keep our y or z-axis 0 degrees. Okay, next what we are going to do, we are going to add keyframes to it. So before that we'll keep its location 0. We'll change these location to 0, so it will be easy to add the keyframes. So by selecting a frame 1, we'll keep the location of x-axis 0 and add a keyframe to it. Now selecting the frame 250, we'll change the location along x-axis. We'll move it to the top of the curve and add a keyframe from here. Okay, now I'm going to play this. So hit spacebar, and you can see it's not moving. Okay, let's correct this. So go to the graph editor, and here what we are going to do, first we'll select our keyframes and keep our interpolation from constant to linear, so it will move. So press T and select the linear instead of constant. You can see our 2 keyframes here. Okay, join it to left, and now hit spacebar, and you can see it's moving. Okay, as it is moving, let's change it to a cloth. So go to physics and add cloth, keep it cotton, and here we'll add 10 quality steps. Go to collisions and keep the quality 5. Check the self collision box, and it's falling down. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to move this along the curve. So for that, go to the edit mode and select these top vertices and add a vertex group. Go to data, create a vertex group from here and assign it. Back to the object mode, go to physics, in shape we'll add this vertex group from here, and here we have our cloth moving along the curve. So keep it smooth, shade it smooth, and here is our animated cloth along the curve path. Okay, now we'll add some material to it. for that we'll go to the material preview. In the materials right here, add a new material, change its color. Okay, and then go to the render view. It's little dark, so we'll add a light to it. Add light from here, adjust the light, grab it and rotate it. Okay, now you can see the light over there. So duplicate it, adjust it, and here we have our animated cloth along the curve path. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.